Hey there friends, on today's super quick tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to make Google Chrome your default browser right here on your iPhone. All right, let's do it. Okay, so maybe you've transferred your data from an old phone to a new phone, and you want to use Google Chrome as your default browser. Well, there's a couple of things that we need to do. Obviously, first, if you transfer all your data, you have Chrome, you won't need to do this. But if you don't, you want to use Google Chrome, go to your App Store. Once it's open, you can download Chrome and then make sure it's on your phone. Usually when you do that, you have a little notification that asks if you want to make it your default application for all your web browsing. Now, in this case, we have Google Chrome, but our phone is defaulting to Safari, and it's making Safari our default browser. We don't want to do that. So what we want to do is go to our settings. I'm going to scroll over here. We're going to click on settings. And inside settings, what we're going to do is we're going to actually scroll all the way down into our apps. You can see here, apps are starting to show up now. And we're going to find Chrome. You can see Chrome is down there at the bottom. I'm just going to click on that. And as you can see, all of our Chrome settings are now up and ready. Look at that. About halfway down the page, you can see default browser app. And right now it's set to Safari. So if I click on this, you can see that I can now move it over to Chrome. So I'm going to click on Chrome. Now, anytime you open a link that has any kind of web link to it or one of the QR codes or anything like that, it's going to now use Chrome. We're just going to click back on here to make sure we're in settings and that all of that saves. And that's basically it, friends. Now our default web provider is going to use Chrome, and that way we can use all the search engine functions within Chrome. I hope this has helped. If it has, please hit that thumbs up button for us. Let us know we're making helpful videos for you. Stay tuned. We're making a ton more of these iPhone tutorial videos, and those will be released really, really soon. Subscribe, and we will see you again on the next one.